Hello, it's Angela, and I've been asked to show how to use the distressing tool. They come in sort of a circular version, or you might have like a long version, and these are just an easier way to create a distressed edge to your papers and card. They're a lot safer and easier to use than the edge of a pair of scissors, which is sometimes what crafters may use. These have the blades in there, but they're all enclosed, so you're not going to catch your fingers. And I think this one has 7 on there. I'll show it on a small piece of card first. Take your card, and you can see there's little notches there, and you insert the card into the notch and just pull the tool as you go, and you can see that gives a nice distressed edge without too much effort. And you can go all the way around, of course. Pick whichever notch works best for you in your hands. There's 7 of them to choose from, and it doesn't matter which way around, there's no right or wrong way. And you can see you get a nice little distressed edge there. Now it does add a little bit of raised texture as well, so that's really nice for your mates. It gives a bit of added extra interest. You can work, that's quite a good GSM card. You can work on pattern papers too. Exactly the same way, you just pop the paper into one of the notches. I hold the paper, and you can see if you've got a dark pattern paper, it gives a really nice contrast with the white edge. Can you see that there? Just go all the way around. I mean, the blades should last you quite a long time, but obviously you will get little bits of paper in there, so just tap them, they'll come out. And you can see you've got a nice raised textured edge. You layer them up, do all your matte and layer panels like that, they're really nice. It's nice if you can do them in one go, all together with your tool. So prepare all your panels, your mats that you're going to be using. Just go around with your distressing tool, and then you're ready to go with your card make. It is especially useful if your trimmer isn't accurate, or you're cutting with a knife, and your edges don't need to be totally straight because you're going to distress them anyway. Now if you want to get a really distressed look, you can actually go right in and really tug at it, because some card designs look good if you can really get this is a coated paper, so you can still get a really nice look. And if you want to really distress, you can really get in with that blade, and you can create bigger distressed edges. But mostly you're going to be using it like this, just to create a nice edge. I'm just at a funny angle with the camera, so excuse my just hope you can see that. But basically you're going to create a nice edge like this. With the darker paper shows it better. You see against the black. Really inexpensive and a nice tool to have. If you're going to craft classes, it's also a safe way, because the blade isn't going to catch on your clothing, it's not going to catch on your fingers, and it's small, portable. Right, well that's the, now this one is a Crafts 2 one. I also have a Dovecraft one. They both do the same thing. They both got the blades in there, and they're easy to carry around with you. Right, well thank you very much for looking. Thank you, bye bye.